Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. Tech Fox and we'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Edge on your Mac. If this helps you, please subscribe to the channel for more quick Mac tips. Open your browser, Safari or Chrome. Go to microsoft.com/edge. Click Download for macOS. Choose your Mac chip if asked, then start the download. When the download finishes, open the Microsoft Edge.dmg file. A window will appear. Drag the Microsoft Edge icon into the Applications folder. Wait for the copy to complete. Now, open Launchpad or go to Applications. Click Microsoft Edge to launch it. If your Mac shows a security message, click Open. Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use. That's it. Thanks for watching.